Hello everyone. So today I was looking at my comments on my YouTube channel and I found one comment about upgrading apps, Jira apps using REST API. Now personally, I have never really done it before because I always upgraded apps directly on the server, either using the jar file or from using the UPM's Universal Package Manager, Plugin Manager's UI. And I did some search, a quick Google search online on Google, not on Google but on DuckDuckGo, and I found a couple of articles talking about some possibilities. So the first thing that I want to show you is this particular page which I found here. This particular page is all about UPM REST API, and it says that you can do few things using REST API for UPM Jira. Things like you can get a list of all the installed plugins, you can enable or disable the plugin, and you can uninstall and you can install the plugin. So this seems like a solution. Of course, we don't really see here update of an app, but I think this is definitely a good thing for Jira. But for Confluence, I found out that you can do few things like installing an app, uninstalling an app, upgrading an app, and also downgrading an app. So I'm not really sure if this is also possible for especially the upgrade part is also possible for Jira. Let me also search on Google, by the way. So Jira upgrade app UPM REST API. So let me check if I'm able to do something here, I guess, or maybe not. So what we are looking for is upgrade. So I don't really think there is a way to upgrade Jira apps, and also I guess okay, so we can install and uninstall but not really update. Maybe there is a way, but I have never really tried doing it. Okay, let me also take a look at one more article here. It says installing an app using REST API. Do we have anything about upgrading? No. So these are the two links that I thought I'll probably share with all of you in case you're also trying to do something similar. And as I mentioned before, I never really tried it before, but I guess I will. It has been a while since I tried anything on Jira server. I think last time I did something on server was last week, so it has been a while, and I have definitely not installed Jira or upgraded Jira, even Confluence in the last couple of months. So maybe next time if I have to upgrade Confluence apps, I'll try the API or even the installation of the apps. But I thought I'll probably share this with all of you because this seems definitely interesting. And that is all. That is all I wanted to talk about today. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and you learned something new. Thank you very much.